Welcome to my little country kitchen. Today we are making a big batch of jambalaya to throw in the freeze dryer. Let me show you what I'm doing. This is the recipe. It's the best jambalaya from all recipes. I'll put it in the link in the thingamajig below. We need some oil. It says peanut oil, but I'm using avocado oil. Cajun seasoning, but I'm using Creole. Andouille sausage. I did get that. Even though it's $5. Pound of boneless, skinless chicken breast. That is thawing in the sink. Onions, bell pepper, and celery are already diced. Here's my onions, bell pepper, and celery. This is called the Holy Trinity for the Cajun Trinity. I'm using up the last of my diced tomatoes from February of 21. That'll work. And of course, garlic pepper, salt, red pepper flakes, any kind of hot pepper sauce. This one I could have used the whole thing, but I want to use up the rest of this one that's just been sitting in the fridge. Some more Worcestershire sauce, and then of course rice and broth. First, let's start with chopping this up and browning it. For all that deliciousness, you add the garlic, the onions, bell pepper, and celery, and saute. Now that they're all tender, it's time to add in the tomatoes. It's supposed to get crushed tomatoes. You know what? I'm going to blend these instead. There we go. And now all the spices. Okay, I have in there pepper, red pepper, Tony's, Worcestershire sauce, garlic salt, and the hot sauce. Let's mix all that up. I don't have any filet powder, so I'm using some arrowroot powder for thickening. Now we stir back in the chicken and sausage. That's about 2 pounds of meat. Now we need to add the rice and the chicken broth. I basically made about triple, so I added 4 cups of rice. And 3 quarts of broth. The other one I need to get out the chicken feet. Oh, maybe they'll just stay in. That was creepy. Last time I'm gonna do that, I think. Okay. Tasted the flavors. The flavors are melding well. It's tasting good. And now we just wait till the rice is done. I'm going to bring this to a boil and then reduce the heat and then simmer for about 20-25 minutes. Okay, it is all done, I believe. At least the rice is done. There's still a bit of moisture in it, but it's all right. It's still hot. Let's taste. Yummy bit of chicken, rice, all the veggies. Who's had jambalaya before? I never have, so not sure what an authentic one would taste like. It is spicier than I wanted. I wish I would have eased up on the red pepper flakes. But other than that, I say that's a win. This dish will feed at least 25 people. Once it cools, I'm gonna throw it in my freeze fryer. See you on the next one. Bye. I have 5 full trays to put in the freeze dryer. 2 more over here, and a little bit for my husband to have dinner tonight. Awesome day. Okay. What do you think of the jambalaya? Rice is a little overcooked.
Yes, it is. It's actually not bad, though.
You like the heat?
Yeah, that's actually really good. What'd you use to spice it?
The Tony's Creole seasoning, and the andouille sausage is pretty spicy in itself. And then, of course, red pepper flakes.
It's actually really good.
Yummy? Make again?
What?
Make again?
Oh, yeah.
Well,
It's actually really good.
good, because there's 25 pounds of it in the freeze dryer. We can take.
Freeze-drying all of it?
Yeah, we can take it camping.
Okay.
Sad news, my freeze dryer failed, so I had to throw the jambalaya in the freezer. As you can see with this picture of this candy, there's something wrong with my tray heaters because the back of the tray is not heating at all. Well, thank you for joining me. We'll see you on the next one. Bye, friends.